A repo agent can be dangerous long before it is impressive. If your safety plan is just a prompt that says ask before risky commands, you do not have an approval system. You have a suggestion sitting next to a shell tool. That is the real difference between a tiny custom loop and the Agents SDK Sandbox runtime. The loop teaches the core idea, model, tools, transcript, verification. But repo work quickly becomes a harness problem. What can the agent read, what can it write, and who approves the next action? In the SDK Sandbox version, the workspace starts as a declared contract. A manifest can define files, directories, Git repos, mounts, environment variables, users, permissions, and path grants. The outer runtime handles approvals, tracing, and resume bookkeeping, while the sandbox owns commands, file changes, and isolation. That does not make the model smarter. It makes the job more inspectable and more recoverable. When a run pauses for approval, crashes, or needs a trace after a failed test, the harness has a place to store the evidence instead of improvising it later. My verdict is conditional. Build the custom loop to learn, then reach for the SDK Sandbox when repo agents need durable workspace control. Watch the main video for the complete custom loop versus Agents SDK Sandbox breakdown.